Referencing cartographic demarcation, the Homma Meridian project enacts multiple repositionings of the Greenwich Prime Meridian. The reinstallation of this line of empire has taken place in multiple locations, including Budapest, Margate, Wales, Paris. In 2012, it was installed at Street Road Artist Space in Cochranville, Pennsylvania. This project has been evolving at each location, with new context and unexpected associations being added over time. At Street Road, where the focus is on challenging received wisdom on private ownership of land and other property, the Homma Meridian was initially drawn as a short-term installation, but over time it has developed into an ongoing work and now 9-year collaboration with many strands of investigation. A very important aspect of Kaori Homma's Meridian installations is that the line is always mutable, ephemeral. Sometimes chalk is used so that the meridian is slowly erased by visitors' steps. Field paint is left to disappear over time outside. Humans who assemble as the line for a short while then disperse. At Street Road, the inversion of simply not mowing or tending the line has developed into a kind of linear rewilding over the years. Now with maturing 20-foot maple trees and a complex microecology that includes bees, rabbits, and many other flora and fauna. One other strand of this project is the Meridian Stone. We asked master carver Ian Cotton to etch a stone with the 0 marker coordinates. For 5 years now, this has traveled amongst artists from Tokyo to Colombia to Rwanda. Each person marks their own place of personal centrality, then sends the stone along to the next person. This summer, a new Street Road publication will be released, cataloging this multi-layered, slowly evolving project, recording and reflecting on these sedimentary layers accumulated over time, and at the same time adding yet another layer. For BABE 2021, we invite you to add your own center. Draw your own meridian, just where you are. You can use a compass or a compass app to make sure it runs north-south. You can draw it in any ephemeral manner of your choosing. Then take a photograph or a short video, include a short description, and share these with BABE. We wish you a very happy centering, recentering, and decentering.